Hey guys, Kaiser here from Rykers Life NT. Welcome to the channel. We're just taking part of the Corroboree Park Challenge, so we got ourselves a pretty good setup out the back there. So we're just going to camp out here for a couple of nights and do some night fishing, see if we can get some barra, and hopefully we can get some barra on the board. I'm Kai, like I said. It's Gianni and Blake's up the back. So that's the team for today. So we're just about to head out and go do some fishing. Just got into the pond, just cruising up to a spot. Gianni knows, we're going to flick some lines around there. Refurb Penta out today, so we've got around the lines, it's got the cruisers going on, quite a slow pass. So we've just been working this edge, just trying to catch some barra through here. Get to check out that sunset. I'll get it right one day. Check out the sunset, it looks pretty cool. Really nice tonight. I don't want to jinx this. It's pretty calm, a little bit of a breeze. Yeah. Hopefully we can get a barra. I just wanted to show you guys this sunset. Pretty cool. How good is that? Good morning, guys. Hey, yeah, we fished till what, about 1:30 last night. Seen a few barra, but we got nothing. We trawled for hours. We got nothing. Oh, we dropped two. But yeah, no, she was hard going. On a good note, weren't too many bugs, weren't too many mosquitoes, and yeah, there was a nice breeze all night, which was quite good, and we slept unbelievably. I slept really well. We tried this new Brass Monkey air conditioner, and it runs off just 1.2 kVA, so that just cranked all night, and I actually had to put the doona on, which was great. Alright, so this is where we are this morning. Got a bit of fog today. So we just have to be careful when we're cruising along. Hopefully, yeah, we can give it a bit of a trawl. Maybe we start trawling. All right. What a stingy looking little barra. There you go, so that's the first barra of the trip.
I need to take photos.
Not too sure, it's probably what, 60 or something like that?
Yeah, you're holding its neck out.
Not a bad fish.
No, down.
Very skinny. Very skinny fish. Very, yeah, it's not even lively. It's really crazy. Alright, we'll measure this one up and enter it into the comp.
You gotta put your tag on it.
65.
I did already. He's lively now.
Alright.
Alright, send it back.
Send it back. Whew. Oh, it's greasy. Or slimy. There. Alrighty.
Okay. Out.
Finally got one.
Dirty old catfish.
There you go, catfish.
That's what I had before. Same,
Yeah.
same
sort of
feeling,
feel.
same feeling.
Are you going to measure that? It's a pretty big one.
No.
And I'll use this for now.
So a little bit of an update for today
There is no update.
is we've caught one barra,
Everybody's
one catfish, but everyone's in the same boat. They actually caught nothing. It's about, what, 400 degrees with a nice 65 kilometre, I don't know, oven wind. And yeah, we're just floating along, sweating to death. It's that hot that I had to get out of the sun because my thongs were burning me. Bloody, the inside of my thongs were that hot. I moved my toe and it burnt my toe. I went to sit down on the bloody deck and the bit of metal burned the back of my legs. We even got the deck wash out and literally sprayed bloody bong water down my back, and it's literally fucking 32 degree water. So you can't even cool down with the water unless you spray it in the mist into the wind and then it comes back on you. Waits for about 30 seconds and then you dry and then you get on again. So it's wonderful. Caddy.
Oh, really?
So you want another?
Grab him the pliers, here. Here, babe. It's okay.
Morning guys, how you going? So it's day 3. Morning.
Look.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah,
Nice.
Both hooks.
Sweet. So morning of day 3, and we've been fishing for about, what, 10 minutes?
Yep.
And Charnie's already landed her first barrel,
And
which
had a
is
hit.
and had a hit. How good is that? And
It's been quiet all weekend.
it's been quiet all weekend, yeah. So just have a little fish. Not a bad little what? It'd be about a 60, eh?
Nah, he's only like a 40 something.
You reckon?
Yeah. Oh, he's a 50. Well, same as, I think it's the same fish from last night I caught.